So, you want to live and work in Europe, maybe even build a future there? The EU Blue Card might be your golden ticket, but how do you actually get one? Here's a simple step-by-step guide. No legal jargon, just what you need to know. Step 1. Check if you're eligible. Do you have a higher education degree, a bachelor's, master's? That's the main requirement. But in some cases, if you have enough experience in your field, that can count too. Next, you'll need a job offer or a work contract from an employer in the EU. No job offer, no blue card. It's that simple. Step 2. Make sure your salary qualifies. Every EU country sets its own minimum salary for blue card applicants. For example, in Germany it's around 45,300 euros per year for 2025. If you're in a shortage profession, like IT, engineering, healthcare, the threshold can be lower. Other countries in the EU use similar rules, usually between 1 and 1.5 times their national average salary. Just check your contract and make sure it matches what's required. Step 3. Get your documents ready. You'll need a valid passport, your job offer or contract, which should last at least 6 to 12 months. Proof of your degree. And sometimes official recognition of that degree. Don't forget proof of your salary. Health insurance, the application form, and a couple of recent photos. Step 4. Apply in the country where you got the job. You can do this at the local embassy, or consulate in your home country, or if you're already legally in the EU, at the immigration office there. There's usually an application fee, somewhere between 100 and 200 euros. Step 5. Wait for approval. Processing times vary, but it's usually 1 to 3 months. Once you're approved, you'll get your EU Blue Card residence permit. Step 6. Move and start working. After you arrive, you might need to register your address and pick up your residence card. But the best part, you can start working right away with your new employer. Step 7. Enjoy the benefits. You can live and work in the country that gave you the blue card, bring your spouse and children, and even move to another blue card country after 18 months. Plus, you'll have access to some social benefits. These vary, so check the details for your country. Step 8. Take the path to permanent residency. After 33 months in the EU, you can apply for permanent residency, or just 21 months, if you learn the local language to the right level. After 5 years, you could qualify for long-term EU residence, which lets you live in most EU countries. Quick recap. Check you're eligible. Meet the salary threshold. Gather your documents. Apply. Wait for approval. Move. Work. Bring your family. Then go for permanent residency. That's it. 8 steps to a new life in Europe. Good luck.